Hey, it's Matt with Restoration Lawn Care. Want to take a moment just to tell you a little more about our disease control program that we have. So it is a monthly subscription. As long as you are paying it, we'll continue to take care of any diseases that might show up in your lawn. It's going to be a mixture between preventative treatments and curative treatments. It will also depend on what type of grass you have. We can treat zoysia, we can treat Bermuda, centipede, fescue, and St. Augustine. Each of them get diseases at different times of the year based on environmental factors. So based on humidity, based on the air temperature, the soil temperature, those things will cause disease to become prevalent in your lawn, and we will take care of it at that time. So as long as you have the monthly subscription fee, we will make sure that your lawn continues to be healthy, looks its best, and is disease-free. And that's really important because disease can really hurt a lawn quickly. Most of our lawns, especially the warm season grasses, they recover quickly, but you might have a brown patch for for a couple weeks, sometimes a month or two, until the lawn has filled back in. So we like to think of this program as our insurance for your lawn. You've spent all this money to make it healthy and green, really dense, looking good. We'd hate to see it get knocked out by disease. So we'd like to ask you to consider this program, like we said, kind of as insurance for your lawn. If you're interested in it, reach out to us at 706-395-5069, or you can email us at office@AthensRLC, like Athens Restoration Lawn Care. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We look forward to hearing from you and hope you have a great day.